For fuck's sake, quit referring to food as looking sexy. I mean, are you gonna fuck the chicken? Or are you gonna eat it, weirdo? Too much talk. Nobody cares. Cook. No more 10-minute videos. Could be 3 minutes at most. That food looks like shit. If this is what Texas calls chili, then they need to go ahead and succeed the union. What a lot of bad idea. Enjoy that meat brick and garbage Miller Lite coming out of your butthole at Mach 2. Habanero is for losers that can't cook. Our food sucks, so let's burn their taste buds so they can't tell. So you just soak the wings in oil for 20 minutes. They are ugly because they soaked up oil. Then they fried from the inside. I will not be trying this. Yuck. Well, at least I still have the best hair in barbecue. You can't take that away from me.